an excavator. I dig and I scoop. I can move dirt and rocks. I'm a real go-getter. I'm on my way to see my handyman pal Stan. He's gonna teach me all about tools.
Hey there, MJ. What brings you by?
Hey, Stan. I wanted to come learn about tools.
Well, you've come to the right place. This is a hammer. It's used for pounding nails.
Wow, that looks fun.
This is a saw. It's used for cutting wood.
That looks like even more fun.
Here's a power drill. It's actually my favorite tool to use. It's used to make holes in wood, metal, and even plastic.
Wow, interesting.
Now, up next is a screwdriver. It's used for tightening or loosening screws.
Oh, I know what this tool is. It's a measuring tape.
That's correct, MJ. It's used to measure length. This piece of wood is 10 inches.
So cool. I'm having so much fun learning about tools.
Do you know what tool this is?
I'm not sure.
It's called a wrench. It's used for gripping, fastening, turning, tightening, and loosening things like pipes, nuts, and bolts.
Wow, a wrench can do many things.
I have one more tool to show you. This is a pliers. It's used to firmly grip an object, usually something like a nail or wire, so it can be tightened or loosened, twisted or cut.
Wow, I just cut that piece of wire like a scissors. Thanks, Handyman Stan, for teaching me all about tools.
You're welcome, MJ. You can come back and use these tools anytime.
Bye, Stan. Until next time. I'm a tool-using excavator. I can use all sorts of tools. I can hammer, I can saw, I can do it all.
Learning so much fun with MJ the Excavator. We'll discover the world and all that we can cater. With our curious minds and our eagerness to know, we'll be digging up knowledge and watching it grow.
Let's dig into tools. Can you tell the tool name? It's a hammer. Can you tell the tool name? It's a screwdriver. Can you tell the tool name? It's a tape measure. Can you tell the tool name? It's a saw. Can you tell the tool name? It's a hard hat. Can you tell the tool name? It's a drill. Can you tell the tool name? It's a wrench. Can you tell the tool name? It's a toolbox. Can you tell the tool name? It's a safety vest. Thank you for watching.